Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You guys are on right now a property that I'm purchasing that is right next to my property. And the owner that used to live in this property had a welding shop. Supposedly, from what I was told from the neighbors, is that he started off as a welding shop, then ended up doing a gas a welding gas service company, that where they would bring you out your welding tanks and so forth. But I'm actually inside something that looks like a shop, but Mother Nature is trying to reclaim it. I've been cleaning it out. There's a lot of debris. There was bamboo growing here in the floor. The whole floor has rocks on there. There's another shop there, which is where I imagine his main shop was, or his business, because there's an electrical box and there's electrical wiring over there. But I'm probably gonna use it as a classic car restore center, where I'm gonna be doing, my own repairs, my own welding repairs on my cars. Check it out. I'm gonna probably set this up as just as a parts area. Check out my videos where you can see how I convert this area back to a respectable, usable, functional shop slash man cave, probably. Stay tuned, guys.